Hey guys, welcome to Make Up with Sima.
Alright, I think we're kind of done with this one.
Let's do this simple and easy lip combo using just 2 lip liners and a lipstick. Starting with a dark brown lip liner, I'm lining my lips and making sure to fill in the corners.
That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me.
Next, I'm using a Plum lip liner, applying it just above the first line for a subtle gradient effect.
I'll be there in a minute. You be, and I'll be there. Be there. I might just call and catch up.
For the final step, I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Stripped and pressing my lips together to blend everything seamlessly.
That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way.
And that's it. If you want to perfect your brows, check out my brow tutorial and stay tuned for an eyeshadow tutorial if you love this look.